Hey guys and gals, Froggy here. I actually already shot this video, but something went wrong. It didn't come out, and it came out, the little fix that I did came out so nice that I'm going to shoot it over again for you. Everything's already done, but I'll walk you through it. So this isn't a vacuum attachment, and I stepped on it and I broke the end. It had a crack in it. I didn't break it off. It had a crack in it. But I knew that it wouldn't suck right, and that there's another little attachment I can put on here for like really tiny crevices, and that wasn't going to fit right either because of the crack inside. So I tried to figure out how to fix it nicely, and this is 2-part plastic epoxy, really good stuff. I'm not shilling for JB Weld. I bought it, I just use it. There are some other brands. And this is what I did, basically. Long story short, I mixed it together, mixed it here, and I took a little tip of a screwdriver to mix it up. You can use a piece of wood, whatever you want, don't use your finger. And then when I had this puddle of the epoxy ready to go, I just took the broken end of the vacuum and I rolled it like that. I just rolled it till I had a nice even layer all around there, and voila, that's how it came out. It's got a nice repair all the way around. I didn't want to put just a dab on the crack because I didn't think that would work as well as this. I got a little run on there. I don't care because maybe you could take a knife or a file and sand that off if you wanted to, but this is good enough for me. So that's it. Long story short, how to repair a piece of plastic vacuum or any other piece of plastic that's round. Okay, give me a thumbs up or like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and you guys and gals have a great weekend. It's getting to be pretty nice here in Southern California, and I hope the weather turns for you guys and gals elsewhere in the country. Take care. Bye-bye.